Hello, my name is Arbindi Bigno, and I am here to talk about what I understand to all the topics in Prelim. First is the Earth's coordinate system. Earth coordinate system's definition of terms are the poles, North Pole, and South Pole, latitude, longitude, equator, the international dateline, the great circles, small circles, spherical angle, spherical triangle, positions, statute mile, international nautical mile, knot, length of cable, and the prime meridian. So what is latitude and longitude? Latitude is an angular distance from a primary great circle or plane. Terrestrial latitude is an angular distance from the equator, measured northward or southward through 90 degrees and labeled north or south to indicate the direction of measurement, while longitude is angular distance along a primary great circle from adapted reference point. Terrestrial longitude is the arc of a parallel or the angle at the pole between the prime meridian and the meridian of a point on the earth, measured eastward or westward from the prime meridian through 180 degrees and labeled east or west to indicate the direction of measurement. Next are the lat and the long. Difference of latitude or dilat, it means that dilat between two places is the angular length of arc of any meridian between their parallels. It is the numerical difference of the latitudes if the places are on the same side of the equator. It is the sum of the latitudes if the places are on opposite sides of the equator. It may be designated north or south when appropriate. The difference of longitude or dilong, it means that between two places is the shorter arc of the two parallel or the smaller angle at the pole between the meridians of the two places are on the same side, east or west of Greenwich. D-long is the numerical difference of longitude of two places, if on opposite sides. D-long is the numerical sum unless this exceeds 180 degrees, 360 degrees minus the sum. Next is about map projections. All projections of a sphere on a plane necessarily distort the surface in some way and to some extent, depending on the purpose of the map. Some distortions are acceptable and others are not. Therefore, different map projections exist in order to preserve some properties of the sphere-like body at the expense of other properties. Some examples of map projections are azimuthal projection, conic projection, and cylindrical projection. Azimuthal projection is the oldest known record of this projection is from Ptolemy in about 150 AD. Conic projection is a projection commonly used to standard parallels, the lines of latitudes which are unevenly spaced concentric circles. Cylindrical projection was developed because modern map makers had become dissatisfied with the distortion inherent in Mercator projection, and they wanted a world projection which looked more like reality. Next, we talk about navigational charts. In navigational charts, I learned many things like symbols, and abbreviation, including triangulation point, observation spot, fixed point, distance along waterway, no visible marker, distance along waterway with visible marker, positions of an elevation or control point, canal and distance point with no mark, canal and distance point, symbols in plan, position is the center of primary symbol, the symbol in plan, so this is the position is at bottom of the symbol. Point symbols, so point symbols approximate positions. That's all, and thank you for watching.